If you use Canva, you can now record videos, record yourself, record a screen recording within Canva, within the Canva editor. But it's not that easy to find. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So here is how to record videos within the editor within Canva. It's actually on the Uploads button when you go into Canva on your computer. You can do this in the Canva app or simply logged into the Canva website. So here we are. We have got some video templates here, but that's not where we want to record videos yet. But if you want to record yourself on video itself, what you need to do is actually hit the Uploads button. Not obvious, as I say, but once you click the Uploads button, even if you are not uploading a video of anything or uploading an image, you can just click on this button, record yourself. Now, as I do that, here's what happens. So I've now got myself here. I can change the shape. Rectangular. I can move myself around up here, and I can take myself off the screen just by hitting this button up here. And so you've got three options here. You can show yourself on camera, as I'm doing now. You can show yourself on camera and on screen, and you select which screen it is you want to share. So I can share the screen. So let's say I want to share this second tab here. Then I go camera and screen, and that's the second tab, and just click on share. And so that was the one that we saw before. Or else I can take myself off the screen, just share the screen itself, and instead of me on camera as well. Now you've got the options here to select with the camera, without, you've just seen that, and with or without the microphone as well. So you can select which microphone it is that you want to use. Now there's a lot more that you can do with recording videos within Canva, within the Canva editor, and I'm still learning it myself. It's a very simple editor, but it does have most of the features that you want, at least for some basic editing, as well as integrating it very nicely with the rest of Canva.